How to unprivate your TikTok account. If you want to unprivate your TikTok account, here's what you need to do. Open TikTok app on your phone and go to your profile at the bottom right. Click on triple line at the top right. Click Settings and Privacy and click Privacy and slide the toggle at the private account. Keep in mind, if you want to switch your TikTok to public account, anyone will be able to follow you and view your public posts. Anyone can duet with your videos, and anyone can stitch with your videos, and anyone can download your videos. If you agree with these terms, you can click switch, and your account now unprivate on TikTok. So that's all the tutorial how to unprivate your TikTok account. Hopefully it's easy to do, and don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.